What is going on, guys? Mr. Barber come back with yet another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing a deep clean on all my clippers. As you guys all know, it's COVID times, so you got to do that more often than usual. I also got a few modifications to do on my magic clip. I got a new case, a new blade, and a ceramic blade. So we're going to be doing all that in this video, and yeah, without further ado, let's hop straight into it. Alright, so I got this gold casing for my magic clip because I have this gold and I have my trimmer gold. So I was like, why not get the gold set? So I decided to get a gold blade too, but it's not the same gold at all, so I might not even end up using it. So we're gonna see what it looks like, and then I'll see. I'm definitely gonna use the ceramic blade. I've always wanted to try one. I never have. So yeah, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna open up the magic clip and then put this on it. Damn, okay, so I just googled it and there's a screw in here. Aha. Don't forget, don't lose your screws, guys. Put them in a safe spot. And should ply open. I don't have a flathead screwdriver, so I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. I'm gonna go find something to pry through this so that I can open it up. Okay, so found some nail clippers. I'm gonna use like this part, try to get her open. God damn. Oh, there we go. Okay, so literally after 10 minutes of wrestling with this, I finally got it off. If you guys are trying to do this at home as well, just pry it off, like rip it off. You won't end up breaking this. But yeah, what I did next is just dust it off whatever is here. Then okay, so now I'm just gonna put it on. Go somewhat. Oh wait, first I'm gonna take this thing off. Put it on this one. This heat, I'm guessing this is like a heat shield. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna put on this one because why not? And there you have it. So honestly, I'm not even gonna put this on it. It looks too off. I'll just put it on this one, I think. I'll just put the ceramic on this one. So let's go ahead and open her up. And while that's open, let's clean all this stuff off. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take the blade off this one too. Get rid of all the hair on this one too. Oh my god, look at that. You guys see that? There's all hair. Yeah. That's why you clean your clippers, guys. So you don't know what's under there. I'm gonna take the blade out of this one. I think I'm gonna take this ceramic blade and use this. That thing up, know what I'm saying? What y'all think? Fella looks crazy with that ceramic blade. We're gonna try it out, we're gonna see. Okay, so I ended up putting the gold blade on this one. And I'm gonna leave the ceramic blade on this one with the gold casing. I already cleaned these two, so now what I'm gonna do is clean these now. So let's open this up. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I have nothing else to show you guys. Just wanted to show you guys my new setup. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Right now we got the gold magic clip, the gold skeleton, the gold baby bliss. We got another magic clip with a gold blade. So I find it pretty cool. You guys let me know what you guys think in the comments below. That's gonna be it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.